Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by working on towel-damped hair, about 70 to 80% wet, so products absorb without weighing you down. Apply a sulfate-free gentle cleanser to the scalp only. You want oil removal without stripping the lengths. Once shampooed, squeeze excess water and detangle with a wide-tooth comb, moving from ends up to the roots. This prevents breakage and reduces frizz triggers. Make sure to be patient. Fast yanks create split ends and more dryness, so slow. Even strokes are key. Once detangled, you apply a hydrating, protein-light mask focusing on mid-lengths and ends. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes so the hair shaft rehydrates without becoming brittle. Rinse with cool water to help close the cuticle and lock moisture in. Blot dry gently using a microfiber towel, no rubbing. Then distribute a lightweight leave-in cream and follow with 1 to 2 drops of oil concentrated on ends to smooth and protect. These steps reduce porosity and create a frizz-resistant base for styling. You finish by choosing low-heat drying. Use a diffuser on low or let hair air dry to minimize heat damage. Keep styling tools below 180 degrees. Once mostly dry, smooth a small amount of anti-frizz serum over the surface and set with a light hairspray if you need hold. If hair still feels brittle or frizzy, add a weekly deep moisture treatment and reduce shampoo frequency to every 3 to 4 days. If frizz persists, check product buildup and clarify once a month to restore shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.